Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to generate headcount reports in Gusto. So you do want to see how your team has grown or shrunk over time. Gusto makes it easy to generate headcount reports so that you can stay on top of hiring trends and workforce changes. The first step is to log in and navigate to reports. So you want to start by logging into your Gusto dashboard, and then from the left hand navigation you click on reports, because this is your gateway to all the data Gusto can crunch for you. Step 2, choose the headcount report. So scroll through the available reports until you find the one labeled headcount reports. Click on it to begin customizing. Step 3, set the date range. Now you can use the filter at the top of the date range to you can use the filter at the top to set the date range that you want to analyze, and you can look at monthly, quarterly, or custom time frames, depending of course on your needs. Step 4, review the data. Now the report is going to show you how many employees and contractors that you had at the start and at the end of the period, as well as any additional or terminations in between. It's a clear snapshot of your workforce changes. Step 5, export the reports. Now just click download to export the report as a CSV or PDF file. This is helpful for internal reviews, investor updates, or HR audits. And that's how you generate a headcount report in Gusto. Fast, simple, and super informative. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.